to this? It's going to be adventurous.
Well done, Mark.
Right, I'm Mark from Shaka Surf Branksome. We're a surf school on the south coast at Branksome Deanshine, and we hold the UK Dog Surfing Championships every year. Yeah, it's getting bigger and bigger each year, so next year it'll probably get even bigger, and yeah, see where we go from there.
Did you barter them down?
No, they stole it.
And here we go then. And holding on to the title for the second year in a row. We want to hear it right now. Everybody, as loud as you can for Bear! Congratulations!
Well done, Bear. Second year in a row. Well done.
Yeah, pretty good, thank you. Second year in a row.
Next year maybe?
Yeah, see you next year, 3 in a row.